Is your iPhone showing a message failed to send error? Don't sweat it, I've got your back. This problem is nothing serious and is mostly caused by iOS bugs or network issues, so if you tweak some settings, you can fix it pretty easily. Here's how to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Solution 1. Check iMessage settings. Open Settings, scroll down, tap Apps, find the Message app, tap Messages, ensure iMessage is turned on. If it's already on, toggle it off and then back on. Tap on Send and Receive. Make sure to active the iMessage on your iPhone with your number or Apple ID. Now, go back. Scroll down. Here, you'll see an option called Send as Text Message. Make sure to turn it on. Solution 2. Enable background app data. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down, tap Background App Refresh, tap on it. From this setting, make sure to set this to cellular data and Wi-Fi. Solution 3. Restart the Messages app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen or double-click the Home button to open the app switcher. Find the Messages app and swipe it up to close it. After that, restart your iPhone. Now again, check your Message app to see if it's working or not. Solution 4. Update iOS. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. Solution 5. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Select Reset Network Settings. Note that this will reset your Wi-Fi passwords. And that's it. Now you know how to resolve the message failed to send error on your iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up. Have any questions? Leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Thanks for tuning in.